What's up, guys and gals? Today I'm going to do an unboxing and a little install and a review of this dual AM/FM digital media receiver with Bluetooth. It also features a USB input, and it'll play MP3s. It doesn't say anything about WMA or anything else, so I'm guessing it's MP3s only. You have an auxiliary input with a small 3.5mm headphone jack, and it has hands-free calling. The receiver will shut off, obviously, and then you can actually hear the calls through the radio, and then whenever the call is ended, then it starts back up with the music again. This does not have a CD player, and it's only 20 bucks. So this is what I'm going to put in the car, because I haven't had any music in the car in quite a while, and I hate driving an hour to work every day and not have any music. So anyways, we're going to go ahead and we're going to unbox this, and I'll show you what it looks like. It comes with the harness, the mini harness, so you can hook it up with. Oh, it even has a remote. Nice. It has the little tools in it to take it out once you get it put in, if you want it back out. Now with these are not full size. These are only half size. As you can see, they're smaller. This one says it's 120 watts, which is 30 watts by 4. You got 2 front and 2 rear. Whoops, I'm losing the silicone packet. Don't want to lose that. Don't need it either. So anyways, you have, this is a security tag thing that you need to remove before you install it into your vehicle. You have your antenna. You actually can hook this up to an amp. It has the RCA jacks for an amp. You have right channel, left channel, front and rear. Actually, this thing's upside down. So anyways, and this is what it looks like. It's pretty blank. It's not much. You got a volume, you got your power, and let me see if it is detachable face or not. I do not know. Let me find out. Okay, so I'm not seeing it, so it's apparently not detachable face, but it's 20 bucks, and it has a display button. I'm gonna see if maybe, well, there's your Bluetooth right there. I think that's the Bluetooth. So anyways, and it has a built-in microphone for your calling, I guess, and the USB port right here. And close, and your auxiliary is down below the USB port. Switch tracks, band, power. I'd say that's the mute button. And we'll get into whatever other features it may have once we get it hooked up in the car. A little 10 amp fuse. Like I say, it's not much. It's 20 bucks, so it's only going to give you sound. That's all it's going to do. It's going to give you some music for your vehicle. It'd be a quick, cheap replacement if yours went bad or something. Then you could just grab one of these for 20 bucks and then save you up some money and get you something much, much nicer if that's what you're into. So I need a screwdriver so that I can pop this off, because it says remove. because all it is one of the security tag things. No big deal. Throw that over there in the corner, and I lost the screw. Oh, nope, there it is. Anyways, what we'll do is I'll go ahead and I will hook this up, and then all we have to do is plug in the radio and slide it into place. Because mine is pretty much ready to be putting something into it, because I have nothing there no more. So anyways, we'll hook up the mini wire harness, and then we'll check it out and see what it sounds like. And we'll see how much I like it. Now, they used to have an old version. It didn't have Bluetooth, but it was a media player, and it actually didn't have hands-free calling either, so it didn't have Bluetooth or hands-free calling, but it was the old version, and it was actually pretty decent. It sounded pretty good. I kind of liked it. So we're gonna see if we like this one or not. So I need to get my little wiring kit. I'm gonna have to run a cord out and stuff to the car so that we can see what's going on in there, and I'll figure out a way to set you up in the car while I'm at it. Okay, after a few snags that I had to deal with, which was due to my own fault, but it was from where I had it wired the last time, and a couple of the buck splices had come loose, and so I had to redo the new wiring. But anyways, I've got it in here, and it fits really snug and really nice, so that's a good thing. Of course, as you can see, I had to kind of fiddle with this myself to cut this out, obviously, but anyways, it doesn't matter. Got it all hooked up. Sounds great. It sounds really phenomenal. Of course, I have like relatively new aftermarket speakers all the way around, so you know that helps too. But that's another thing, you know, you want to make sure you got nice, good quality door speakers, rear deck speakers, and of course I got the power acoustic satellites. For $8, those things are amazing. I would recommend them to anybody, but that's not about this. This is about the head unit here, the dual. Let's see what it says it is. Dual XDM16BT, which it's Bluetooth. You've got your auxiliary. Come on. Bluetooth, auxiliary. Your auxiliary would probably cover your USB and your auxiliary input, which of course this may actually just go ahead and activate as soon as you plug something into it. I don't know because I don't have my flash drive. So anyways, you know, it's got several different bands, FM 1, 2, 3, and then AM 1, 2. So that's not too bad. You have a mute button, which is up here beside your band, and you push on the center of this to get your bass and your treble, and then your balance left and right, and then your front and rear, and then you have a loud feature. Oh my goodness. With the loud on, I can get this volume up to about 32. before it starts distorting, and that's actually very good. I dare to say it, for it only being 30 watts per channel, it is actually very powerful. It's not a bad system. I think that, you know, anybody that's looking for even a permanent replacement to their car stereo, this would be a really nice one as far as a complete replacement for, like, if you've got an old factory system that just doesn't work anymore. 20 bucks, bam, and it sounds amazing. I'm not going to turn on the volume because I don't want that on my video, because that's just how I am. But anyways, trust me when I say this thing is amazing for 20 bucks. And of course, I would definitely recommend it to anyone looking to replace their factory system, or as even for a cheap, quick replacement until they can save up money to get a nice, fancy, or whatever they want, or whatever. So, or just use it as a permanent system. I mean, you got USB. Most people don't even use CDs anymore. So that's why I'm thinking I'm going to make this my permanent setup. Have just this as my head unit and see how it goes. And I may go ahead and put another amp and subs in the back, and because it has the RCA jacks. So basically I can actually hook up another front and rear set of amplifier and set of speakers, actually, if I want to. So I could run this, I could have a multi-amp system, you know, with the RCA jacks. So anyways, we'll get back inside and I'll finish up the little review. Alright, so in conclusion to what my initial opening and my initial review of this head unit is, I would definitely, may not have a remote after all if I keep dropping it. But anyways, my initial review is, I give it a thumbs up. I mean, for 20 bucks, I don't think I got hurt, and it is good quality sound. I mean, it really is. I mean, like I say, I'm not going to play any music that is not my own on my channel. I'm not going through that, but anyways, so for the features it has, the Bluetooth, the USB, and the auxiliary input with 120 watts, and like I said, I had the loud on and I had it all set up, which basically you get bass, you get treble, and then you get right and left. So it doesn't have a whole lot of actual controls as far as, you know, being able to set different levels of your highs and lows and stuff. You basically get what comes out of it. But as far as what you're getting for 20 bucks, I think it sounds amazing. And if you need a quick replacement, or if you're just looking for something that is inexpensive to replace the factory system you have, 20 bucks, Wally World, no big deal. You could probably even get them online somewhere for about the same price, shipped to your door. I'm not sure, I didn't look. So with the hands-free calling and stuff, which is great, but it'll shut it off, and then when your call is over, it'll turn your music back on. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. Feel free to subscribe, and have a spectacular day or night, whichever one it is for you. Peace out.